I'll enter screen and share. Yeah. Mm, yeah. It's starting recording. Hi guys, today me and Shaurya uh,
Yeah, hi, that's
are
me.
playing bedwars.
Yeah,
Let's play
bedwars.
bedwars.
Remember it. It's a good game.
Yeah, definitely check it out on roblox.
Yeah.
Now,
Anyway, Pratham, have you got a kit?
what should we play? What?
Did you get a kit?
No, let's get a key.
Yeah, come. You can take a barbarian and equip it. Or maybe a melody and baker
Yeah,
are
I'll take
also
a
there.
barbarian.
Okay, take a barbarian, equip it. By the way,
It looks so
Pratham,
epic, right?
by the way, Pratham, not trying to be mean, but you can press shift to sprint.
I knew that. And I
Why were
should
you not
play.
sprinting then?
I don't know.
Okay, maybe. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Usually shift makes you slower. So, yeah.
Yes. No, not for this
Oh,
thing.
I'm pressing shift. It's not that fast, right?
No, I'm
Where
starting the
did you
game
go?
like the lucky block. We don't need to meet anymore. I'm starting the lucky block.
How
Some dumb
what
person
type
just.
of bedwars did you do? Solo or double or squad?
I selected lucky
Squad, right?
block. I selected lucky block mode.
What does that do? I have no idea.
That
To
is,
find out now.
I think so. Yes. Lucky block is like you can break lucky blocks, which may be lucky or unlucky, which is pretty basic, and it goes
Yeah.
according to squads. It
Spoiler
has four
alert,
team
I
of
have
four.
to play.
That has team of four, which is good. Maybe.
Yeah. Look at
Yeah.
this guy. He looks like he's in some zombie apocalypse or something.
To me, he looks like this fire rescue guy who's like pretty creepy.
What are the noise? Ah, yes, it started. Now,
Not
yeah.
for me.
I will stand in the
Just
corner.
just wait in her bed.
1 second. Recording software. I wonder who is going to protect the bed.
I'll do it. Actually, not. I'm a pretty lazy
So I
person.
press E. Why did I press E? I press F. Now, how much?
I'm not getting inside.
What should I do?
I'm not getting
I'll
inside
get
the game. 2 or 6. I'm not getting
what is
inside.
this?
Why am I
Yeah,
not
I got
getting?
some wool.
What did you get?
Some wool.
I
The
did
bench. It looks like a bench kind of.
the bed. My thing is still loading. Yeah,
Yeah.
finally I came. Yeah. Hello, Pratham.
So, wait,
What? Say what now?
so they want to know
The
where
game
the
started without me, and the team is full.
no.
Oh, someone destroyed the bed. Why were you not, guys? You're not cool. Okay, lucky block, lucky block, lucky block.
Wait, did they destroy our bed? Oh my god.
I needed my lucky block. My
Yeah.
eyes became red.
The feeling is right. And feeling is right, guys. I died.
The red guy.
Did you die? Sorry.
No, I did not. Did you die?
Red literally moving so fast. For like 5 seconds when the game starts.
I think I need to make a rush for it because this yellow guy. Did you just throw some smoke grenades at us?
I'm the last guy on the bed. Yeah.
Yeet him away! Yeet! 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 Yeet!
Am I not?
Yeet you! I hate you! Pratham, fight for us! Fight for me! Oh, you just died.
Oh no, I think feeling. Oh,
You just
oh
died.
yes, I died. I died.
Oh, damn it!
Me.
I did a
If
bad.
if that guy hadn't, if we hadn't have broken the bed so early, then maybe we would have won.
Yeah. Anyway, can you follow me to the Can you see me even?
Yeah.
Are you
Start
still?
the squad now. Okay.
Okay. 1 second. What's your name? XIP. Join the party. Join the party.
Also, everyone who hasn't subscribed, subscribe right now.
Yeah, I'm recommending it. Usually, everybody, anything I recommend is like really cool.
Listen for me. Then like you.
Pratham, did you know
This
that I
guy
haven't subscribed
called
myself?
Stuff Smart. His name is Stuff Smart.
Okay. Anyway, did you know? Fun fact, guys, I haven't subscribed yet. So you can pretty much get away with it by not
What?
subscribing. Yeah, I haven't subscribed, Pratham. Sorry to break it to you.
Stuff.
I'm not finding your channel for God's sake. I need a link.
Totally will subscribe. Wait, what?
I need a link to it. If I search your channel, it's like if I search experiments with Pratham, like experiments, technical strategy, these things come. Can't think.
Yeah, I will send you the link for this.
Yeah, can't think of fame. OMG. You're coming to our team. I hope so at least. I have a good mood, she said so. Why aren't you coming? Are you loading? Are you loading? Oh, nice you came. Why do you hear a lot of poof?
Why is your camera make it extra long?
Okay,
Yeah.
very good. I could say.
I was 16 minutes.
No, not okay. That would be cool then. Me, I'm going to buy some more wool and spam it. Make it strong. This guy got blue generator. I can't buy it. I need a bucket. I need a bucket. I need a bucket. You want to hide inside them? Why? You want to just beat them when they come? I think they're so nice. I mean, yeah, that is a good idea. Oh, anyway, you are playing as a. I want to put some Tesla It's not fair, getting next to this guy just left me with
Bro, without a sword, how am I supposed to kill them, bro? It will take me like 2 years.
So what
At
you
least
can
I'll
do?
get some
You can't
sword.
buy swords. You need to kill other
I'll just
people.
wait here and get like 80 iron or something.
Yeah, you can't buy swords if you're a barbarian. You need to like you know you need to kill people to get it. You need to level up your sword level. Get level up your sword level. Okay, some Chinese. Mama, I mean,
You scammed me, bro. Come on. You can't
half an
even
hour,
buy a
please,
sword.
please.
Need
Maybe 15.
50 iron now.
Okay.
I have like 90 iron.
You have
I'll
90
get
iron.
these.
I'm just going to get iron armor. I love iron armor.
That's a
I
Tesla coil. I bought a Tesla coil.
place it near the bed.
Careful. While we're seeing here, someone will just come out of nowhere and wreck us. That's what happened
I
last
just want
time.
to eat someone so that I can level up my sword. So I'm just going to eat some people up. The other guy is a pro. They're pros too, but that other guy
Where
is
was bed, bro?
I hid it.
I can't find a bed.
OMG.
Bro, I'm on our team. How am I? I need to know where the bed is. Ah, yes, I got it. Nice. Actually, I got one big brain idea. Uh, I'll let me just cover this bit up.
Man, I
Cover.
died. At least I got some nice levels of. Can't think of a name. Can't think of a name. Pratham, you're still visible
Well,
to me.
I know. I have a Tesla coil.
Place it
I'll
near
just
you.
put one.
Place it. So that
I kept
blue
one.
guy never comes and ambushes us. That stupid blue guy. I'm just going to go ambush him from behind. Actually, from the very front.
Bro, there's a Tesla coil above us. People can see through the Tesla coil that there's a hole to come in. Bro, hello, are you there?
Hello, yes, I'm there. I'm just in a very complex
The
situation where.
Tesla coil is kept above me near the bed. Can you just take that out?
Okay. Okay, one person is here. One person is here. One person is here. OMG.
Waiting.
Intense situations.
Where is this info? We can't even find our bed properly.
I know. That's why. That's so cool, right?
I just told him. I didn't know you could go above the bed.
Oh, you didn't. I'm just going to eat this guy from far.
I'm just going to hide here and wait to ambush some imposter. If you could get me a stone sword, that would be
You
very much
can't.
appreciated.
you you're playing as a barbarian. You can't get stone swords and anything. You can only kill people and then you level up your swords. You can't buy swords. You can only kill
How many
people.
people do I need to kill? How many people do I need to kill to get the next level?
To I don't know. You'll get a bar right down here where you'll get a wooden sword and you'll get a wooden sword and you'll get a stone sword on the right. Okay, and the red indicates how much you have, how much, like, get it right.
Oh, I can hear someone humming.
Someone is here, someone is here.
No, I can. I just heard someone mining. Who's there? Who's there?
Someone got team generator 3. That guy is a pro, I'm telling you.
Is that for our team? No, right?
Yeah, that's for our team. You can get emeralds now.
Can't think. guy got 2 kills already.
Oh,
Oh,
better.
blue team died. Blue team died.
I know blue team and yellow team died. They are extinct with no people to carry their name. Oh, it's our fight against greens.
And what?
It's
Where are
we.
you?
I'm in the middle of the island, like going around like a nomad. I'm just going to kill this guy.
Can you at least give me iron armor?
Yeah, I'm currently. I can't give you actually. You need to buy it yourself.
There's, there's 7 minutes. It's such a good idea. We should do this more often.
Yeah, I
Huh?
think so.
The holy thing. Actually, place some more wool around.
Yeah, I think so. I died, but I got some more levels, so that's cool. You want some iron armor?
Wait, no. Yeah, I do. There's one hole on the east or west side.
Yeah.
Come through there and see a
Okay.
tiny opening. Oops,
I'm giving you my armor, okay?
I don't need armor, I need sword. Because
You can't get
if I
swords. You need to
die,
kill people for swords.
so come here. At the tip of your sword, there's a hole, right?
Yeah, I
And in
can
that
see
hole.
you. I'll just drop in some provisions.
Hello.
Hello. You can see I just wore a cap.
Aren't you going to give me anything?
I'll try.
Just take
I'll need
some.
to get another set of iron armor for that. 1 second. I'll just get some iron armor. No, actually I can't. Sorry.
Okay, fine.
But I'll just give you the required amount of iron, okay?
Yeah. Hopefully you remember the hole because I patched it up. I don't
We
know.
won! We won! We won!
Yes! See, I told you, just hide in here. Even if one person hides in here.
I'm just
Yeah.
dropping iron randomly.
Victory win.
I think that's enough for today and we can like hang up. What do you think?
Yeah. Thank you
Bye.
so much. See you next time.
See you
Bye.
next time. Bye.
Next time I'll press them even harder.
Yeah.